What about your oranges? What are you having for breakfast, Archer? What are you having for breakfast? Are you having oranges? Yeah. All right. What else are you having? Are you just making faces? Yeah. What about bananas? And what else? O's? Juice? Yeah. Did you have anything else? It looks like you finished something. What did you finish? Do you remember? Grapes? Yeah. Hey, Archer, can you give me stink eye? Can you give Mommy stink eye? What are we going to do today? What are we going to do today? Are we going to go see Grandmommy? Yeah. And we're going to go see fireworks, right? What do fireworks do? What do they do? How do they go? How do they go? Are they like the garage door? Yeah, how do they go? Yeah, they go whoosh, and then what happens after that? Boom, that's right. Whoosh, boom. It's going to be fun. Can you say bye-bye to the camera? Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. Bye.